Hello, my viewers all over the world. Mr. Chidade is sending his regards. I'm sure you're doing very well, and I'm sure you are progressing in your learning as you follow my channel. Today, I bring to you another waec question because I'm out to help students who are struggling with mathematics, especially those of them who are due for waec and those who have hunger to making their A's in waec. Today, I bring to us indices. And I don't just want to teach indices because I have to go directly to the ones that come out in waec. Like this is waec 2008, question number 10. It's a theory question. So I have simplified 3 raised to power n minus 1 multiplied by 27 raised to power n plus 1 all over 81 raised to power n. So what I will do in this case is to reduce all of them to the same base. So what I will do is to start immediately. I have 3 raised to power n minus 1. This is in its reduced form. So I need to reduce this also by this. This is also going to be 3 raised to power 3. That's 27 means the same thing as 3 raised to power 3. And then raised to power n plus 1. That's this n plus 1. So all over, this will give me 3 raised to power 4 raised to power n. So at this point, I am going to equate all of them to be in the same line. So what I have here is 3 raised to power n minus 1 multiplied by 3 raised to power, I open up the bracket. This and this will give me 3n, this and this give me plus 3. Then I bring this one up times, here I have 3 raised to power. If the raised to power is going up from the denominator, going to be on the same line with the numerator, the sign will change. So now it is positive. It goes up and becomes minus 4n. So the minus is the only difference. So at this point, I will group them. I have 3, 3, 3. So it becomes 3 raised to power. I'll open a bracket for all of them. Here I have n minus 1. Here becomes plus. Here I have 3n plus 3. Here is also plus and here is minus. So minus and plus will be minus 4n. This is what I have. So in this, I will now make sure that I collect like terms. So this is my n, 1n plus 3n, I have 4n. Then I'm owing 4n. Remember what we did in one of our videos where we talked about directed numbers. So I have 4n, I'm owing 4n. So this n and 3n is equivalent to this minus 4n. So they will cancel out. I have minus 1 and plus 3. So I have minus 1 and plus 3, I have 2. So what I have left is 3 raised to power 2. And 3 raised to power 2 is the same thing as 9. So that's my answer for that question. In number 2, just like number 2 has a quality sign, but number 1 does not have a quality sign. So in this case, I'm going to equate. So I'm going to equate to what I have. So this is going to be solution. Let me try to also. Here is 2 raised to power 1 minus y multiplied by 2 raised to power y minus 1. This also, I will take it to be on the same line, just like I did in the first example. So here is also times 2 raised to power minus y plus 2. Why did I put this in brackets? Because this is an expression. Every sign outside an expression will open up the one inside the bracket. So this is now equals to, I have to reduce this to its lowest base. This is 2 raised to power 3. This 2 raised to power 3 means something as only 8. So 2 raised to power 3 represents 8. But I have what is raised to power, and that is raised to power is also in form of expression. So what I have here is 2 minus 3y. So I'm done putting it on the same line. The next thing I will do is to take care of the brackets. So this is going to be here 2, 2, 2. This is 2 raised to power 1 minus y multiplied by 2 raised to power y minus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power. Here we have opening bracket, I have minus y minus 2 equals to, here I have 2 raised to power. Here is 6 and here is minus 9y. So at this point, I have to group these people at the left hand side, then equate it to the right hand side. So 2, 2, 2, I'll bring down 1, 2 for them. 2 raised to power, I will now have to put all their powers. Here is 1 minus y, this is plus y minus 1. Here is plus, but here is minus. So it becomes minus y. Here minus 2, I'm done with this, equals to 2 raised to power 6 minus 9y. At this point, I can now debase. This and this goes away. I debased. Now, I will now check what I have in the brackets, where I can bring them down. 1 minus y plus y minus 1 minus y minus 2 equals to 6 minus 9y. At this point, this and this can cancel out. This and this can also cancel out. That's plus 1 and minus 1. Just like I have plus y and minus y. They cancel out. I now have minus y minus 2 left, minus y minus 2 at the left hand side. So at this side, I have 6 minus 9y. At this point, I will collect my like terms. I will collect like terms. So the ones that look alike are this and this. So I will bring them down. Minus y. This one will go over and become plus 9y equals to, here I have 6. This one will go over and become plus 2. So working out this and this, I'm putting 1y when I have 9. So I will be having 8y equals to 8. You now divide through by the coefficient of y, which is over 8. And when you do that, this and this cancels out. Here and here cancels out. I will be having my y, therefore, as equals to 1. So as you can see, trashing indices is quite interesting. So I urge you to share, subscribe, and like my videos. Follow for more as we have a lot to unfold.